Today, HP announced its latest handheld unit equipped with the Pocket PC OS. We're going to take a look. It's the Jornada.
Yes, this is the HP Jornada 560 series.
Okay.
Brand new, and it's the first piece of hardware that's using the Pocket PC 2002 OS.
And this is what you were actually showing us earlier when we were looking at the actual OS. Now we're going to look at the hardware.
We got a sneak peek. Now we get to see the real thing.
Okay.
Now it looks a lot like the 540 series, except it's much lighter. But physically it looks a lot the same. Inside it's way different. It really puts it up to par, the performance up to par with the iPads. Inside there's a 206 megahertz strong arm processor, and you're going to need a lot of processing power to run Pocket PC 2002. You're going to need at least 16 megabytes of RAM. This has 32 megabytes of RAM. You can also get a 64 megabyte version for a little more. Now, this also has 16 megabytes of ROM inside, and you need at least 16 megabytes of ROM to run PC. Again, the stiff requirements for Pocket PC 2002. Now, let's go over some of the features here. First of all, I'm going to turn it over to the side, and up here, traditionally there's a single CF Type 1 slot right here.
Right.
And you can only fit in one of those cards here. Now you can pull this off, if I can pull it off. And this allows you to add modules that are bigger in girth, so that you can add things like a GPS module or an Ethernet card or something like that that wouldn't fit in there traditionally. Down here, this is a removable rechargeable battery. It's supposed to last 12 hours. We're going to have to test that. But as I remove this, you'll see that this has a space so that you can add another module, whatever that may be. That module is going to have a battery built in, so it's going to cost a little more.
Do you think they learned from Handspring, who had all sorts of add-on features?
Yeah, I think so. Expansion is going to be key with this OS.
This, of course, is geared toward corporate users, we should mention.
Absolutely. And when I said it's going to compete with iPad, we really mean it.
Yeah.
It's got a 320 by 240 screen, TFT. With 16-bit color. That's something new, 65,000 colors. And the screen looks really good. It's very comparable to the iPad, and definitely the color depth is better there. Other things, you got your regular hotkeys. Nothing has really changed here. You've got a record button here. You've got a controller here. Up top, what they've added is an actual holder for the stylus. It's small, but it makes a big deal. The other models actually had a stylus that just hung out and actually stuck underneath the cover here, which we like to take off. Let's go over some pros and cons. This is an expensive piece of hardware, $599. Pros: large flash ROM, 16 megabytes of flash ROM, necessary for Pocket PC 2002. A great color display, we really like that. And also the removable battery and expansion. That's a really nice feature.
On the downside?
Really, the only downside is the fact that the removable battery, when you do buy another module to put on here, it's going to cost more because you're going to have to add another battery there.
Right.
This is going to be available October 4th.
Okay.
We've got a sneak preview here.
Exciting.
And we're going to see both models, 565 and 568, 32, 64 megabytes of RAM, respectively. $599, $649, and there will be a $50 rebate.